Boats and hoes. What does it say?
Zip file.
What's it for?
I don't know, but there's a lot of them.
I know, but aren't the instructions on them?
Oh, they're sleds.
Hmm.
I guess you just hold on to it like that, and you're like, oh, we should do now.
Hmm.
That would have been so badass, actually.
What? Another bat.
And it's the power flats.
No. Why would you do such a
Another
thing?
bed of destruction. My boat. Overdrive.
What's wrong with your boat? It's not tugging enough?
Oh, I'm in a predicament right now. I got no toilet paper. Again. What will I do? What? But I do have wrapping paper, so I'm going to go ahead and gift wrap you a nice little present.
Yeah, but won't it hurt? Don't you gotta crumble it up first?
I'm going to wrap it, not wipe.
Wait, so what are you gonna do after you wrap it? How are you gonna wipe?
I didn't say anything about wiping. The wiping's out of the picture.
So you're just not gonna wipe?
Nope, I'm going to go ahead and wipe with your face. My coccyx. Yeah, you like that, ladies, didn't you? My boat.